turn on my engine, put my bike on first gear, and then keep this cloth like this. So I've applied polish in this, so I'll just just rub in a circle. So I use this Castrol chain lube. So actually I feel this chain lube is for racing, I guess. But so hey, good morning, this is Jagdish and welcome you to the Boy of Bangalore, my YouTube channel. I'm really sorry I did not upload this video in which I'll be showing how to clean the bike chain and bike's chain and lube. And in later of this video I'll show you how I polish my bike. So first I wash the bike. So already you have seen how I wash my bike. If you have not seen that vlog, I'll put in the card here, so watch that and then come to this video. It'll be better for you, so that you can relate to it properly. So let's go. See, I've cleaned the bike completely and I've kept it for dry for some time. Now what I have done is, before the wash, what I have done is I have put diesel on my chain. You can see that there's still diesel remained here. So I'll clean with this cloth and clean the chain completely, and after which I will apply the chain lube. So for that, it is always safe that you use the chain cleaner brush, which I always use, but I thought let's do it with this, but be careful so you do it properly. So I'll do that. Turn on my engine, put my bike on first gear, and then keep this cloth like this. So you can see it is dirty. Okay, so it is dirty. See, keep it here as well, so that the dirt after the wash we completely removed by this cloth. You can also use the brush. Why I'm not using the brush is both of the brush has been worn out, so I thought let's use this cloth. I have bought it for 50 rupees, I guess half kg. So I'm using that. So see the side parts of the chain also, you should see this part is there, no? Clean that as well by holding this like this. Be careful. And then this part, okay, this part as well. Always better to use brush. Okay, so that's the thing. So I've applied polish in this, so I'll just just rub in a circle so that the polish is being equally distributed on your bike. Okay, and don't press it hard. Softly, gently apply the polish and leave it for somewhere, and after polishing leave it for somewhere around 15-20 minutes. And again what you do is just brush it up again so that the polish glows. There's a shine on your bike. Basically, after applying your first coat on your bike, just leave it for somewhere around 10-15 minutes so that it dries up. The polish dries up, and once the polish is drying up, what you do is with this what I use, you can use microfiber cloth as well. I am using this which is used to clean or brush or clean glass items. So I'm using this. I also have a microfiber cloth, but I'm not using that. So I'm using this right now. Probably after it gets dried up and final, I'll be cleaning with that. So that is it. And after 15-20 minutes I'll meet you, and I'll just give the final touch for my bike, and then you'll see how glossy finished it gets. Though my bike is a matte finish blue color, but you'll see the difference. So just wait. So I use this Castrol chain loop. So actually I feel this chain loop is for racing I guess, but I'm using, earlier I used to use the Motul, but I'm using now Castrol from past 1 month. I feel the performance of the chain is really improved. So if you ask me, going for Motul or Castrol, it is a bit expensive, but if you can go for it, it is great. So वैसे तो probably people use oil also to lube the chain. That's fine, it's totally up to you as to how you have to do, but make sure the chain is not dry. Every 500 kilometers try to lube your bike chain, and every 1000 kilometers clean your chain and then lube it. Also tighten your chain. So that is the thing. So I'll show you how to lube the chain now. So you can see my chain is clean. That's my chain and it's totally clean. So I'll just lube it. What you have to do is, on these parts, actually on these parts you have to spray the chain, these things. Okay, basically what you do is turn on your bike and spray it here, so that you know when the chain rotates at this part, all the lube is been transferred, and it becomes, this pocket becomes lubricated. Also in FZ you can open these two things and you can spray also. Usually we grease there. You can also spray the chain lube, so that here also there's a lot of friction there. I mean to say it gets lubricated. So that's it. I'll turn on the bike and spray like this. So turn on your bike. Put it on first gear. Lift the clutch and you see rotating. Slowly keep spraying. That's enough. So I've looped the chain and leave the engine turned on for say around 30 seconds, as how I'm doing it here. So let it run for around 30 seconds. What happens is the sprocket will be lubricated, and then leave it for at least half to 1 hour. What happens is the lube will be drying up. I mean to say it will be absorbed by the chain, and then you can ride your bike. So that is it from this vlog. So that is it from this vlog, and meet you up in the next vlog. This is your boy of Bangalore signing off. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.